Good morning everyone. Welcome to online class. Today's class we are going to learn verbs, finite and non-finite verbs. Now let's see what is finite verb. A verb that indicates tense and changes according to the subject is finite verb. Examples: Mala is painting a picture. They played cricket yesterday. Here is painting, played or finite verbs. They indicate tenses. Next we'll see non-finite verb. A verb that does not indicate tense and does not change according to the subject is non-finite verb. Examples: painting is my hobby. To err is human. In these sentences, painting, to err do not refer to tense. They are non-finite verbs. Non-finite verbs are classified as follows: gerund, infinitive and participles. Read the following sentences. Walking is a good exercise. Painting is my hobby. They do not appreciate my singing. Here, walking, painting, singing or action words, they do not refer to tense. They end with ing form. They are called gerund. A gerund is an action word that ends in ing and functions as a noun. The infinitive is often called to verb. It can function as a subject. The examples are: to swim is a good exercise. To err is human, forgive divine. Here, to swim, to err are infinitives. They are subject of the sentence. Infinitives can function as an object. Examples: I like to swim. Ram likes to present a watch. Bare infinitives. Infinitives may be used without to, and we call such infinitives a plain infinitive or a bare infinitive. Help, bid, let, need, dare, see, here are some bare infinitives. Next we will see what is participle. A participle is a word which is partly a verb and partly an adjective. See the sentences. Hearing the noise, the boy woke up. Having completed the course, she returned. Here, hearing, having completed are participles. Participles we have two kinds. One is present participle, another one is past participle. Let's recall verbs. Finite verbs, non-finite verbs. Finite verbs indicate tenses. Non-finite verbs do not indicate tenses. Non-finite verbs classification: gerund, infinitives and participles. There are two participles. One is present participle, another one is past participle. Dear children, I hope you have understood verbs, finite verbs and non-finite verbs. Thank you.